A prepared meal can leave the stove tasting excellent and arrive disappointing if the next steps are careless. Cooking is only the first half of the process. Once a batch is finished, time and temperature matter.
Large, deep containers hold heat in the center. Dividing food into smaller or shallower portions increases surface area and helps heat leave more predictably. Commercial kitchens use controlled cooling procedures and verify temperatures rather than waiting for a pot to feel cool on the outside. The exact limits and methods belong in the food safety plan and local requirements. Quality changes during cooling too.
Rice continues absorbing moisture. Pasta softens if it sits in too much sauce. Fried or charred surfaces lose contrast when trapped beside steam. Fresh cucumber, slaw, chutney, herbs, or pickled vegetables can wilt or warm unnecessarily if packed into the same hot compartment. That is why the meal has to be designed for its second life. A curry may be portioned with enough sauce to protect the protein during reheating. A crisp garnish may travel separately. A noodle sauce may be calibrated for what the pasta will absorb before the customer eats it.
After cooling, the cold chain has to remain unbroken through storage, packing, transport, and delivery. An insulated bag is not a magic refrigerator. Route time, product temperature, packing density, and handoff all matter. Each meal also needs clear storage and reheating instructions for its actual package. Spicerella plans to use Nopla food containers with a seaweed-based barrier rather than conventional plastic coating. Packaging choice still has to match the food, sealing method, storage, and heating directions.
The customer should not have to guess whether a chilled component stays out, whether a lid is removed, or how to tell that the center is ready. Reheating is not one universal timer.
A dense dal, a piece of salmon, and cavatappi in cheese sauce respond differently. Gentle staged heating with a stir or rest may produce a more even result than blasting the edges while the center remains cold, but the printed directions must be validated for each meal. The best prepared food is engineered backward from the moment it is eaten. Cooking, cooling, packaging, transport, and reheating are one continuous recipe.